Are you feeling stuck or disconnected from your creativity? Imagine having a clear plan, a supportive community, and the tools to make art a joyful part of your life again. Welcome to Blueprint to Brushstrokes. Your creative reset starts here. This is a space for mid and late career creative souls to rediscover their spark and make art joyful again. I'm Janet, architect turned creative renewal coach and watercolor artist. I know what it feels like to lose your creative spark, and I want to help you find it again. Here you'll find watercolor tutorials, creative mindset tips, and tools for artistic renewal, all designed to help you create with confidence and joy. Whether you're exploring your artistic North Star or overcoming creative block and burnout, you're in the right place. I will be uploading new videos every week. And as our community grows, you'll also find coaching, workshops, retreats, and resources designed to support your creative journey. So, are you ready to rediscover your creative spark? Hit subscribe and join me on this journey. You can also visit my website at www.blueprinttobrushstrokes.ca to sign up for resources and updates. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's one creative goal you'd like to achieve this year? Please share in the comments below. Your ideas might inspire someone else in our community. And if you're not sure, that's okay too. We can explore it together. May your day be filled with hope, renewal, and creative joy. Your creative reset starts here, and I can't wait to share it with you.